SAP Certified Technology Associate. SAP HANA 2.0 SPS07C_HANATech_19 exam dumps. Questions are the best material for you to study all the related topics. Share some SAP Certified Technology Associate C_HANATech_19 exam dumps questions here. 1. In which situations can you resume the failed recovery of your productive SAP HANA tenant database? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. An aborted recovery of a Delta data backup. B. An aborted recovery of a log backup. C. An aborted recovery of a complete data backup. D. An aborted recovery of the configuration files. 2. What actions can you perform in the SAP HANA cockpit to back up the complete database system? A. Back up the system using a fallback snapshot for every database. B. Back up the system using a database snapshot and a data snapshot. C. Back up the system database and all tenant databases in one step. D. Back up the system database and all tenant databases individually. 3. Which database objects can manipulate if you have the object privilege activity all privileges? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. Views. B. Schemas. C. Functions. D. Procedures. 4. What can you check with the SAP HANA Hardware and Cloud Measurement Tools (HCMT)? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. Cloud Connector Status. B. Linux Kernel Information. C. NUMA Memory Bandwidth Test. D. CPU States. 5. What additional action do you need to perform after you create a new tenant in an SAP HANA system replication configuration? A. Copy the tenant database. B. Restart the secondary system. C. Back up the tenant database. D. Start the tenant database. 6. Which hardware KPIs do you need to size before performing a tailored data center integration (TDI) installation for a productive SAP HANA database system? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. Network bandwidth for the storage zone. B. Total disk space required for the log volume. C. Persistent memory (PMEM) required for backups. D. DRAM required for the static data memory area. 7. Which backup types can you schedule using the backup scheduler in the SAP HANA cockpit? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. Delta backup. B. Full backup. C. Fallback snapshot. D. Data snapshot. 8. Which system privileges are required for administrating tenant databases when connected to the system database? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. Data admin. B. Database admin. C. Monitor admin. D. Backup admin. 9. Which SAP HANA security tasks can be performed in combination with a lightweight directory access protocol (LDAP) server? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. User creation. B. User group assignment. C. Password policy configuration. D. Role assignment. 10. In a multi-tenant database container (MDC) system, which privilege do you need to perform database-specific backups on all tenant databases? A. Backup operator. B. Backup admin, C. Tenant admin, D. Database admin.